Okay, good afternoon, team. I have just been contacted by the Ministry of Finance. If you had listened to my earlier message, I had indicated that I had contacted them for persons who were having concerns and queries, and I was told that they would contact me within 24 hours. All right, so basically, no one has been contacted for the set cash. The set cash program is not yet in effect. They have not done anything for the set cash program. Therefore, all the messages that persons are seeing on their phone would have been for persons who have checked the status of their application. And because they checked the application, that is what is showing. Now, it is stating that there is no payroll information because their payroll information has not yet been checked by the Ministry of Finance, right? The only program that they said that they have done is the compassionate program. So the compassionate program is the one that has been done. The set cash program has not started as yet. No one in the island has gotten any information whether they have been accepted or denied for the set cash because it has not yet been approved to go ahead with that area of the program as yet. I'm not sure which area they will be going with next, if it is the best cash or the set cash or whatever, right? So I just wanted to get that clarified. The compassionate grant is the only one that they have worked on so far. The set cash is not yet being looked into. Secondly, persons who will be eligible for the set cash program, if they worked in April, they will not be eligible to get any money in March. Meaning March, let me rephrase it a little bit easier. Persons, there's three payments. There is April, May, and there is June, right? Now, in order to be eligible for April payment, if you worked in April, you will not be getting that money, but you will get it in May. The April payment is for persons who have worked up to the 30th of March. Okay? So anyone, I'm telling you this information so you can share it with your staff and your colleagues and your team members and or family members and friends. Anyone who has worked in April will not receive any money for April, but they will receive money for May. Okay, as long as you work to the 30th, I think I said it quite enough time for it to be understandable. All right, guys, so you can share with your team that the set cash program has not started in regards to who has been accepted or who has been denied. That area is not yet gone through the door. All right, so thank you so much. Have a good afternoon.